Hey guys and gals, it's Sweet Project Cars here with cool, trick, and affordable ways for the do-it-yourselfer and simple ways. We have had a couple weeks off. We take our vacations late in the year so that we can be ready for the busy time of the year. We are on the winter protection, also works for hot summer areas out west. This is a series that is very useful to a lot of people. When you have a flat tire, or you have an issue with your vehicle, or you have to get out of your vehicle at night, many of you that live in the city don't have to worry about that. You can call a wrecker and they'll come out and help you, and you'll put it on your AAA or whatever it may be. But we're talking about these headlamps. And the reason we're talking about those, they are one of the most useful tools you can put in your glove box. And I can't tell you how many times they have saved us going out to help somebody with their car or whatever it may be. Now, number one, this is about your spare tire. Make sure you have your spare tire and make sure you have your jack and a four-way. You can put this right in your trunk. You have your four-way and you have your jack. Comes in a nice case. They're cheap. Keep it in there. Jack your car up in minutes compared to trying to do it any other way with the factory stuff. The four-way has all the sizes for your lug nuts. This is just a great way to go. I can't tell you how much easier it is to have one of these right here. Now, as we go back to our headlamps, there's three different ones that you can use. It's overwhelming looking online for one of these. We have found the three very best. You get what you pay for when it comes to these. This is the Milwaukee. Of course, it's extremely bright. This is another brand. Has many different settings. This is another brand. Another, or would it be another brand? We're going to test these out in full darkness, as much darkness as we can get in the middle of the day. I just can't say enough about how handy these are when you're working on something in your house or out on your car at night or whatever it may be, mainly for when you have an issue at night while you're driving. Then you want to make sure you have your Venom gloves. In the wintertime, especially, you'll put these on. And then make sure that you have an old duffel bag that you can keep a lot of your little protection tools for yourself at night. Put on a pair of old jersey gloves when you're changing your tire. And if you have your Venom gloves on and these get wet, you will not be affected by it. These are just simple little things that we have found that help tremendously. Now let's check these out and see really how bright they are. Coming up videos on this same series will be paint protection. That is very, very simple to do for anyone. So stick with us on this series. You're going to love it. Let's go check these out and see how they work. All right, now Julio, tell everybody where they can get these fine products.
Buscar en el show más de la descripción de video para todas las herramientas.
Thank you, Julio Cesar Chavez Rodriguez. He wants to be called Rodriguez too, so that's his handle, I guess. Anywho, let's show you how bright the Milwaukee is. We're going to go with the best one due to the fact you get what you pay for. They will be listed in order as I shared with you on the bench. So let's do it. All right, it's pitch black in here. This is as dark as I can get it for you. Let's flip it on and see what it does. Now, it lights up the night as if it was day. The cool part about this is you can tilt the headlamp so it's pointing more down or up. And of course, you want your jumper box. This is the best jumper box we found for the money, and it will actually charge your headlamp for you in record time. Now, if you're down changing your spare, you got your jack underneath, you're taking it off, you can see everything you're doing. Your hands will stay dry because you have your Venom gloves on, and boom, the job is done. If you have somebody helping you, it's even better. But a lot of times, if you're out somewhere that you can't get someone to help you or you don't have anybody with you, changing your spare is crucial to get it done as fast as possible. So this is really what this video is about, is making sure you have your spare, because many of you don't. On an older car, well, I got to put my spare in my car if I get it. That's when you get a flat tire, is when you don't have your spare with you.